Hey creators, are you searching for the perfect music to bring your videos to life? Today, let's dive into Epidemic Sound, the ultimate music platform for content creators. Follow along as I show you how to find, personalize, and download music to make your project shine. When you log in, you'll notice how personalized everything feels. Epidemic Sound remembers your music preferences, offering tailored recommendations based on what you've previously liked and used. It's like having a personal DJ who knows your style. Epidemic Sound makes finding the perfect track easy. You can browse by mood, genre, or theme, whether it's inspiring, cinematic, or upbeat. You'll discover a wide range of genres like electronic, jazz, and hip-hop, covering every style you need. And here's something cool: when you preview a track, you'll see a visual display showing where the music builds and where it's more mellow. This helps you time the energy of your video perfectly. Found a track you love? The Find Similar feature lets you discover music with the same vibe instantly. Just click Find Similar and Epidemic Sound will recommend tracks that match, so you can build a cohesive playlist without hours of searching. One of the standout tools on Epidemic Sound is the Stems feature. This lets you break down a track into its main elements like vocals, bass, and drums, so you can adjust the audio to fit each scene perfectly. For example, if you only want the instrumental part of a track to avoid competing with voiceovers, you can just download the stems you need. It's an amazing way to add a professional touch to your edits and get the exact sound you want. Epidemic Sound makes licensing simple. With a personal plan, you're covered for platforms like YouTube and social media. If you need broader coverage, the commercial plan is perfect for business content. And here's a big plus: any video you publish while subscribed is covered forever. Even if you decide to cancel, no more worrying about copyright claims down the line. Once you find the perfect track, just hit download and import it directly into your editing software. Epidemic Sound's easy download process lets you focus on creating without any hassle. Epidemic Sound's user-friendly tools and high-quality music library make it simple to find the right soundtrack for any project. Ready to bring your content to life? Sign up and start exploring today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your favorite music genre in the comments below.